The Advocator Group is a wonderful place to work. The superiors that are here, the managers, the supervisors, they're so helpful. And of course, they do expect you to perform, but the way they are as a company, you don't have any problems performing. You want to perform, you want to give your best.
I definitely enjoy working with my colleagues. I feel like it's just a very happy, fun environment to be in. Despite the fact that we do a lot of tough work, I think the reward at the end is really awesome.
I'd say we work really hard here, but we like to have a lot of fun too. Our employee engagement committee has a lot to do with that. I myself I've participated in yoga classes, salsa dancing, bar classes, so a lot of things that I don't do outside the office in my personal life all the time. So we work hard, but we have a lot of fun here.
So my cousin works at the Advocator Group as well, and she was the one who referred me to the company. She told me about the company's mission and what they stand for, and I felt like it aligned with what I stand for and my life goals.
I chose the Advocator Group because I believe in the end goal of the company, and that is to assist people who are so desperately in need of a product due to a situation that's out of their control.
I knew I wanted to work here. Just the fact that there's so much, involvement as far as employee engagement, learning more about the organization. I just felt a good, positive feeling when I came here, and that's when I knew I wanted to work here.
My experiences have been great here. I've had an opportunity to try a lot of different roles and gain a lot of different experiences. I started here as on a temp assignment and very quickly fell in love with the people and the business. Culture had a lot to do with that, and the work itself was very rewarding too.
I love what I do because I like helping people. I'm passionate about helping people. Accidents and injuries happen in life. It's just a part of life. Our claimants didn't ask to be put in this position, so whatever I could do to assist them in the disability process, I certainly want to do.
I'm very fortunate and happy to be here. The recognition is outstanding. I've never worked somewhere where just being recognized for what you do every day and making that difference in people's lives, really pays off. It makes me want to go above and beyond.
The culture here is amazing. We do incredible activities. We give back to the community, which is one thing that I really enjoy.
Why I get up early and come in every day is just the team. It's about the people here. I think we have such a great team. We work well together and we push each other to do better every day. And I think that goes hand in hand with kind of the competitive nature of the group that we have here, that we like to win, and we do act as a team here, and so we push each other to do the best we can every single day.